please subscribe to the Eyes of Owen. Thank you very much, baby.
Owen, I love you too much. Huh? I love you long time. You forget me.
Now then, where are we? I know I need a shave, but I'll have one later on when I've finished pottering about in the garden. My plants have arrived from the Scouts. Got them down there. Don't know what they are. There, there, and there. I've got a list of them somewhere, but it's not important. Right, I'm going to put a few worms in here and I'm going to set up my camera in a different way. I'll show you when I've done it. Right, I've set my camera on a tripod outside, focused on the table, and I'm going to control it with my smartphone. Will it work? Let's see what happens. So that is a view I am looking at on my smartphone. Now if a bird lands, all I have to do is flick this button across and take a burst of photographs. I'm running out of ideas. I haven't got the patience to sit focusing. See that book then? No wonder you frightened it to death. Right, I've had a good few hours in the garden. So I'm going to have a brew, and sit down a little bit, and then I'm going to nip in, have a shave. There she blows. Ooh. Now then, I've noticed on a few of my last videos my nostril hair was looking a little bit unruly. So I'm going to get rid, because I don't want my nostrils to look like Dennis Healy's eyebrows. I'm just doing a little bit of photography editing from yesterday at Grisdale Tarn, and leave me alone. And then I'll be heading into town to take that jacket back from yesterday that split. Look at that there. The lad had a disaster. It's just split. Now I hope that they're reasonable in the shop and we haven't got a job's worth salesperson who, do you know what I mean, who protects the company, thinking that the money, the refund I want, is coming out of his own pocket. But the dealings I've had with the people in the shop, a couple of girls and a guy, really friendly. Right, I'm off. Get a bit of shopping, sorted all my pots out. Some of them look a bit withered, but you always go like that when you first put them in, because I've given them a good feeding of chicken muck. I'm off to obviously change my jacket, and I'm going to meet Sharpie, give him his whiskey book that I bought for him. We're going to have a couple of beers and then get back home. A few things I want to do. Right, I'm on the way, took my jacket back. I hope it all goes well without any hassle. Can't be bothered having to explain to people and whatever. See what happens. Right, the jacket originally cost me $69.99, and if I bought a lip seal for, I can't remember what it was, for £2 odd, I got 10% off, but she's only refunded me the $62.99 or whatever. So basically I've paid £7 for a lip seal that I'll never use. But I never thought about bringing the lip seal back, and I could have got a full refund. So that's my own fault, but at least I've got my £60 back. So now I'm going to buy the Berghaus. So my phone rang, it was my daughter. Can you come and pick Mabel up, give her a walk round? Walking around town, been out and I've had 6 pints. I met a couple of subscribers. They know who they are. Well, thanks for the drinks. I'm wandering around town. I'm trying to buy a few things and I need a wee, but I can't go for a wee because I'm looking after this little girl and I can't leave her. Right, let's get my wellies on. I've had a last minute decision just to wander down to the river. Bloody mat, because I've got an idea for a photograph in my head which I've been wanting to do for a long time. The light is gone at the moment, but hopefully it'll break through these clouds. It's going to be high tide, I'm thinking about an hour's time, so that will help as well. Let's hope it all works out. Also, a bit of good news, my channel has now been remonetised. Found out yesterday, so it's back up and running. So I'd like to thank everybody who's helped me over the past few months, who's watched videos a little bit longer, or watched the playlist, etc. Thanks a lot, much appreciated. Where's the tide at? I must have misjudged the tides. It's high tide in 1 hour 50 minutes. By then it'll be almost dark. So I don't know what I was looking at. No idea. But I'm just getting a few video clips as well, because I've started uploaded video clips which people can use in their own videos. To a company called Shutterstock. I've been doing it for a while, but I'm getting back into it now, using my Sony camera. That's what I'm going to do mostly tomorrow in the Lake District. I can make a few quid if you sell the clips. The tide is coming in now. Comes in pretty fast. We've still got a bit of a wait for it to reach these grass banks. It might not get that high actually, it's only 7 metres. But I'll hang on for a bit. People who've been watching my channel for a number of years will remember a character called Mickey Two Toes.
My name is Mickey Two Toes.
Who went on a trip to Thailand and the Philippines. Well, Mickey was walking along here with his dog and he tripped over some fishing wire and landed somewhere down there in the mud, and he couldn't get up, and the tide was coming in, so he was shouting for help, and somebody at that side of the river heard him, called for an ambulance or whatever, fire engine, and they came and rescued him, but he messed his back up And for a long time he couldn't walk properly. So it just shows you don't know what is going to happen. When you're just minding your own business, ambling along. Mission aborted. We've lost the light. Let's get home. Get my feet up on my big chair. Get up nice and early tomorrow and have another crack at it up in the Lake District. Oats, honey, egg to make a nice, delicious breakfast. That's for lunch. Right, it is raining outside, but I'm not bothered. I've got my new Berghaus jacket on. I'm being out in the fresh air. It's all good. There's a signpost, Wansfell Pike, only half a mile, halfway up the side of a mountain. The Wansfell. The weather's coming a bit better. We've walked miles for an ice cream. Feel that though. Oh, that's beautiful. Yeah. Get the size of that.
So there's got to be 4 weighing right.
It's not going to be a session, this. We either get a Belgian